Hello my friends, welcome back to another episode of MTD CNC North America. Guys, I am extremely excited today because I am at the Outdoor Group and they make some really cool parts, mainly bows, but a lot of other parts as well. If you haven't heard of them, look them up. Amazing company. Today as well, I have the great privilege of spending some time with Mike. And Mike is here on the Kiwa machine, and man, do we have a story to share with you. Mike, welcome to MTD, my friend.
How you doing? It's nice to be here.
Yeah, I'm living a dream, brother. So you have a really great testimonial about what you guys have been able to accomplish since purchasing and bringing in this Kiwa machine, right?
Yes. One of our biggest problems is that we're lack capacity. So we brought the Kiwas in to bring more capacity to our manufacturing. One of the things that that we liked about the Kiwas, being our first horizontals that we're able to get, being able to load it while it's running, increase production, and Kiwas did all of that for us, and then some. So we're really happy with them.
So the first question I have is, being this is your first line of horizontal machines, was it somewhat easy to adapt to based on running a lot of verticals and lathes and that kind of stuff? Are you guys able to adapt pretty quickly?
Yeah, the transition from verticals to horizontals was really easy, actually. They're Fanuc-based controls, which a lot of our other machines are Fanucs, and the programmers were able to use Mastercam and were able to program it very quickly. I was amazed at how fast we were able to get them up and going.
Wow. I like knowing that that transition is simple for a lot of people because, guys, what we're about to share, and I'm going to let Mike fill in the blanks, knowing how easy it is to transition from a vertical to a horizontal. Mike, with the parts we're looking at here and some similar parts as well, you make bunches of them, and you have a really great story about the time savings that went from going from a vertical mill to a horizontal machine as well, right?
Right. Originally, when we bought the Kiwas, we wanted to get the unattended time. We have more work pieces in the machine. It'll run more unattended, more into the evenings, reducing labor content. What we didn't expect is the dramatic reduction in cycle time. With the cure cams that we're making right now, we've gone from around 37 minutes per cam, that's all said and done, to like 16 minutes per cam. So almost 50% reduction in cycle time, huge boost to our capacity.
Wow. And how many of those do you make approximately a year?
About 20,000.
So we're talking nearly 50% cycle time, or around 18 minutes more or less, on nearly 20,000 parts.
Yep.
Now, along with that massive cycle time reduction, you guys also were able to reduce the amount of machines that were being utilized to make the same parts as well, right?
Yeah, currently to keep up with production, we are running, between the two Kiwas, we're going to run our Ember cams and our Cure cams in them. It will reduce the amount of verticals by like 6 machines. So the 2 Kiwas will take the place of 6 verticals. That allows all those verticals to open up to make other parts for us to help reduce our capacity constraints and move forward. Definitely.
Mike, that's incredible. And having those capacity restraints is, you know, somewhat a good thing, but I can understand your struggle as well. But that story of taking 6 machines and opening them up to help those restraints and utilizing 2 machines to reduce it 50% in cycle time, I mean, that's really all that needs to be said, isn't it?
Yeah. When we originally got the Kiwas, we also we specifically bought this model of Kiwa because it's field upgradable to a 6-pallet pool, each of them. So we've got room to grow. We can add 6 more tombstones to each machine to let them run all week long unattended, or run a mix of parts or whatever. So we're very versatile. So we've got these tombstones here we built here in our tool room. They're designed here specifically for our cams. They're foolproof, more foolproof than any fixtures that we've made for cams. And yeah, we're really happy with everything, the way it's going.
Mike, that is an incredible testimonial. And I know you guys are real close with your dealer here, OptiPro Systems. Has the service and support been what you had hoped for when you went into a new style of machine?
Yeah, we were leery at first because they're more complicated than the verticals are, and we're used to working on verticals. But OptiPro's been here every minute. They're here like that day or the next day at the latest, and they resolve every issue that we've had within a day or so. So yeah, we're very happy with the few issues that we've had are mainly just debug of a new machine, and we had like very, very good service. Very happy with that.
Well, Mike, thank you so much for sharing this story with MTD North America. I wish you all the outdoor group continued success and growth, and if there's anything we can do for you, you let us know, my friend.
Yeah, well, thank you.
Absolutely.